HORIBA Scientific introduces HSTaiN, an innovative Lab Spec 6 application using artificial intelligence for fully automated generation of Raman images. Simply load your two-dimensional Raman hyperspectral datasets into the app, and just one click will generate highly detailed spectral images. With optimized data processing and intelligent multivariate analysis tools, you can be confident that HSTaiN will reveal unique chemical differences quickly and easily. The app's user-friendly display and export options enable easy customization for rendering high-quality Raman images. Compatible with any HORIBA Raman microscope, HSTaiN makes Raman imaging an easy, fast, and reliable process for any lab. Detailed Raman imaging is at your fingertips with HSTaiN by HORIBA Scientific.